Which one of the following is not a part of a lathe, center lathe? C. Arbor. The headstock of a lathe is situated at left hand side of the lathe bed. The horizontal feed, cross feed and screw cutting movement is in a lathe is controlled by apron. A face plate is held at headstock spindle. Tumbler gear quadrant is used for changing the direction of rotation of the lead screw. In a gap bed lathe, the gap is providing just below the nose of a head spindle. While drilling in lathe, the drill is held on tailstock. B. Back gear mechanism is provided in cone pulley headstock to reduce the speed of spindle. Lathe bed is made of cast iron. To prevent lathe bed guideways from damaging by chuck wheel mounted on, place a wooden piece on the guideways. The sliding surface of the lathe bed are flame hardened. Which one of the following on a lathe is used to give depth of cut? Cross slider. Tumbler gear unit consists of 3 gears. The lathe bed has 2 sets of V guideways and flatways. The cross slider is in a lathe moves perpendicular to the axis of rotation. The carriage in a lathe moves parallel to the axis of rotation. Which among the following part of a lathe should have high compressive strength? Bed. The compound slide sleeve base is set at 45° to the center line of the lathe. The degree of the reading at the cross slider index will be 45°. The special gear of 127 teeths or 63 teeths may be used to cut a metric threads in the lathe having British lead screw. It is known as translating gear. Which one of the following statement it's true with the respect of half nut? It is a detachable part of apron. What is the function of drop worm provided in the apron of the lathe? Disengaging the power feed. The tailstock barrel has an internal threads. Which one of the following standard taper is provided in the barrel bore? Jorno taper. A jib is provided between the stop slide and the civil blaze assembly of the compound slide. Its purpose is to adjust the slackness developed due to wear. One of the part of the center lathe is a tumbler gear unit. It is provided to Change the direction of feed. The graduations are marked at the base of the tailstock. To offset the bogie, their graduation R is in a taper per foot. The capacity of a lathe is expressed a swing and distance between center. The carriage of a lathe travel along with axis z-axis. The basic turning lathe is engine lathe.